Hello everyone, thank you for watching. Today we're going to get started on these decorations and DIYs. So I've gotten these wooden trees from Walmart. They were about 6 in a pack for $12. I didn't sand them, as you can see, but that's okay. The paint sticks anyway. I'm not really too worried about it. I'm just going to go ahead and get started to paint these because it does take some time to dry if you're applying more than one layer. With those white cracks on the inside, I had to get to those without the sponge, so I found an old makeup brush. I'm just going to use that to get into those nooks and crannies. And as I'm painting, I'm just going to do the same process. Just dump a little paint out, clean my brush a few times, and once I've completely finished painting the trees, then I'm going to get on to the glitter. Now I started off by using some Walmart glitter that I had just lying around, but then later on you'll see that I switched to a much finer, thinner glitter. It's the Martha Stewart one that I bought from Michael's, and I think they made a much bigger difference than the Walmart glitter. Of course, throughout this whole DIY, you're going to be knocking the wooden trees and my ornaments, but it's okay. I'm just trying to get the extra glitter off. I wanted to save as much as I could because the glitter was very pricey. And so that is our glitter DIY trees. I just set these around the house to add pops of color, some in the living room, some on nightstands, end tables, in the kitchen, just so that it could bring a little bit of ooh la la to the holidays. Now onto my ornament DIYs. As you can see, I did a lot of ornaments. I use these clear ornaments. They come in packs of 6. I had about 10 boxes. And they only cost me 60 cents. So that's a pretty good deal. I bought them off Macari from someone. She was very lovely. And so I decided I'm just going to go ahead and make my own because I don't feel like the store-bought have a lot of character. I'm going to use some Mop and Glow for my adhesive on the inside of the ornament. This was only about $5. And I've got my Martha Stewart collection glitter. I am in love with this glitter. It goes from very fine to medium to big chunks. I love it. So we're just going to get started on this. Go ahead and take those tops off. Pour some of that floor cleaner into the globe. Gonna swirl it around. Be very careful because it can get everywhere. I had about 3 towels on hand. Dump it out into the cup. I just saved and reused the same bit. And as you can see, it's fully covered. We're going to start with some champagne. Very, very carefully pouring it into that ornament. And it does stick very easily, so I realized that I need to start shaking right away. Alright, tap that out. Make sure you get any extra. And then voila, our first ornament is complete. And so I just complete this process throughout the entirety of all my ornaments. It was very easy. It didn't take me more than maybe I'd say an hour to do probably 20 or more ornaments, and it was very much worth it. I'm in love with all the different designs I did with these glitters and the ornaments. As you can see, even though it's gold, it's 3 different types of gold. I'm just in love with it. Had a lot of silver ornaments in the house, but I thought, I have the glitter, I have the ornaments, might as well make some more. And then I found these very big ornaments that I bought as well off Macari, and I just went ahead and added some color to those. And in a little while I'll add some ribbon, and it's just very fun how I could get so creative with the glitter and the ornaments. I got some of this pretty ribbon from Michael's. They were about 50% off, so that was a good deal. I'm going to use each one of these to wrap around my ornaments just to make little bows. And of course, it took me a very long time to learn how to make a bow.
Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time.
Like I said, I did not know how to make a bow. Much better. Much better. I made a little scarf. I thought it was so cute.
My friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary.
I had to YouTube a few methods on how to use my hand to make this bow, but after a little while, it was worth it. I'm glad. Of course, got my hot glue gun, and mind you, that metal topper does get really hot when you start to hot glue gun some things.
In Christmas times, oh, and the sunset, it is just getting.
And I do the same thing with the rope. I thought that was really cute. Just be very careful because I did burn my entire finger with that hot glue gun.
We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary.
And this, my friends, is the proof of my burnt finger trying to glue that daggone bow on.
Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance.
We're gonna dance.
Alright everyone, and that is the end of my DIY decor and ornaments. I hope you got inspired by this or just want to make your own creations for Christmas. I think it adds a wonderful touch to the holidays to have something that you made. So if you'd like to see some more things, I'm going to be doing a few more items for the holidays. If you'd like, you can like, subscribe, turn on the notifications. I will be uploading. But overall, I hope everyone has a very, very, very happy holiday.
We've got it nice and warm.